Hello everybody and welcome back. Okay, we're just going to kick off this program with import time. So we're going to import the time module here. Okay, and we're going to create a list, and the list is going to be called names. I'm just going to pop a few names in here. Populate it: Dave, let's say Pete, and Joe. Okay, so that's the list. I'm going to create a function here. So what I want to do, first of all, I want to add some names to this function. So I'm going to call this function add names. So if anybody looks at that, they know what it's all about. It's self-explanatory. It's very, very clear. Okay, so name is going to be equal to input here, and simple message to the user. Enter name. Hello Mickey. Oh, cat's just come here. I digress. Mickey, you sit down there. I'm trying to make a video. Okay, right, so that's enter name. Stop scratching as well. Sorry about that. That's the cat. Okay, so that's the name, and then we're going to do names dot append. Okay, so names.append, and that's going to be name there, and then simply print name has been added to the list. Okay, so name has been added to the list there. So basically, we've taken the user input and we've added the name here to the list using the names.append. Okay, the next function we're going to create here, we're going to search through the names list. So it's going to be called search names. Okay, so here we go. Again, name is equal to input, not input name. Oh, here we go again. Input. Some of my computer keys are a bit worn, you see, so I can't see the letters on them at the moment. That's why I'm making a few little input errors there. Anyway. Name is equal to input, so again search names. Okay, so search names there, and we're going to use a conditional here now. So we've got the user to enter a name into the input that they want to search for in the list. So what we're going to do, if name in names, we're going to do something. So if they find the name in the list, we're going to print here, and we're going to use the format as well. We're going to print, whoops, that's just name here. So it's going to enter the name into their name found. Okay, so it's going to say name found else, and the other condition could be if it didn't find the name. So we want to return a message to the user if we didn't find the name in this list. So simply name not found. Okay. Right, and the last function is going to be remove name. So if we want to remove a name from the list here, so again name is equal to input, simply enter your name in there. So again, if name in names, so if the name is in there that you want to remove, we're we're going to have to do something, which is going to be names dot remove name. So we're going to remove the name that you entered into the name input box there. So names dot remove name. So of course this is names here. Dot remove the name that you entered into the input box. Okay, so let's go down here a little bit further onto the next one. So names dot remove name, and then I'm going to do, let's say, a message. What should we say here? Simply removing name, like that. 1, 2. So that's the message to the user, and I want a little pause here. So this is where the time module comes in. So time, hey, time dot sleep, and we're going to give it a pause of 1 second. So it will pause for 1 second there. No, let's give it a little bit longer. Time dot sleep 2 seconds. So we'll have a slight 2-second pause there, and then we're going to print a message off to the user. So it's simply going to be, we're going to use the format again. So name here has been removed. So the name has been removed. Again, we got an else condition, so else, and we're simply going to print, I'm going to do the little format again, print name here has not been removed. Okay, right, okay, all that's left to do now is to call these modules. So I'm going to call this one add name. This is going to be the first one I'm going to call. Oh dear, made a mistake there. I'm not in Perl now. Okay, add name, search names. Okay, add name, search names, add remove names. And remove names. All we have to do now is save it and hope we've not made any typos in here. So let's run the program. Here we go, enter a name. Let's have a look. So I want to enter a name. Let's enter a name like Mark. Okay, there we go. So name has been added to the list. Okay, search names. So let's search the name, see if Mark is in there. Mark, let's see if we can find Mark. Okay, so here we go. Let's check out this little error here. Okay, folks, slight problem here. We've got define search names, we've got remove name, and I put remove names. So slight typo there. Let's just knock that out. Make sure that's done properly. Okay, let's save this again. Okay, let's run our program. So here we go, run module. Well, let's just get rid of that. Let's do a fresh one, shall we? There we go. So enter name. So I'm going to add Mark to the list. Okay, search names. I'm going to search for Mark. Okay, name found. I'm going to remove name, Mark. Okay, removing name. There we go. Mark has been removed. Okay, let's have a look at this list, shall we? So add names. Okay, so let's add something on here. Print. And let's say print names. Okay, so we can see that the name has actually been added there. So let's run it again. So enter name Mark. So I'm going to add Mark there. So there we go. So Mark has been added. Okay, let's. Oh, this cat's really messing around with me today. Okay, search names, remove names, name.remove, printing, remove name. Okay, name has been removed, and we're going to print names again so we can see the result of the name being removed from the list. Let's save that there, let's run it. Okay, again, add name, Mark. Okay, so you can see clearly that Mark has been added to the list. Search names, Mark. Okay, Mark found. Enter your name. Ooh, made a slight little logic error here. Oh, no, I haven't. No, it's this one here, isn't it? It's for remove name. So I should have named that better, actually. Instead of enter your name, I should have named it remove name. It kind of confused me a little bit for a second there. So I want to remove Mark from here. Okay, removing name. Okay, Mark has been removed, and you can see that there is no Mark in that list. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. So I'll catch you in another video. Remember, like, subscribe, comment, bye-bye.